Welcome to another Pluxbox tutorial on logic blocks. In this video we'll explore the concatenate text block. This block is used to create one string of text by combining multiple strings of text. In this video we want to use this block to display users' different information in one string of text. Let's start by creating a list of users. Click on New Collection. Name it Users and add an element to the data structure, titled First Name. Then add two more elements, one titled Last Name and the other one titled Email. Save the collection and go to Data Explorer to add data to your collection. Select Users and add a new user with their first name, last name and email address. Then add two more users with their information. Now that we are done with data collection, let's go to the workspace. First, add a text element and make it wider. To increase readability, select Bold for Family. For creating the logic, add a load event to the view. Then, add a live list to access the data collection. Choose Users Collection for the live list. Connect the load event to the live list block. Then add a getData block and connect them together. If you hover on the result, you can see the data structure. Edges is list of objects. If you click on it, you'll see that node is an object, and if you click again you'll see the other data elements like first name, last name and email. So according to this path, we write edges, 0.node, first name. Zero here means that we only want to have the data of the first item in the list. Then we add other two paths in the same way. Then add a concatenate text block. And connect the first value to the first part of concatenate text, but remember to add spaces in between the parts. After connecting all the values, select the text element and connect the result to the value attribute of the text element. Let's see the result. We have successfully combined all the text elements. Let's go back and change the 0 to 1 to show the second item in the list. As you can see now we have the information of the second user. Thank you for watching this tutorial.